Howdy, this is Barry, and today we're going to take a look at this sharpening stone from Wyvern. I'll put a link to where I bought it on Amazon. I'm not an affiliate, I don't get paid anything for this. Just want to give you the chance to get the same thing I got if you're interested. Wyvern, W-Y-V-E-R-N, like the mythical animal. Wyvern, large hatchet sharpener for blades and shovels, made in China. It has two different grits. This is the large size. Looks like this. Okay, you can see two different shades there. This is the coarser grit, the dark gray, and that is 150 grit, and then the light green is 320, and it has the, I don't know if you can see it, but it has the grits right here marked on the side. So anyway, so I can't find a file to give this old Viking style axe a beginner edge, but it feels like it's got one already. It's something I picked up at a real cheap sale, and I thought I would see if I could actually use it to cut down some trees. So I'm going to try the rough grit, the 150 on it, just to give it a more even edge, and then we'll flip it over and use the fine grit, and we'll see how that goes. All right, until I'm done, I'll let you go get some coffee or something. Be back in a minute. All right, well, I gave it a little bit of sharpening on both sides after wetting it, of course, and we'll give it a try. Okay, this is going to be for cutting into wood, into trees that need to be taken down. I don't have any paper to do a paper test, but I got some cardboard. So let's see how the edge does on this cardboard. Slices right through it like a sharp knife. Okay, so I'm pretty satisfied. Took this old rusty axe, put a nice sharp edge on it. So I would say the Wyvern sharpening stone does what it's supposed to do. Okay, so you saw how we did on the cardboard. Let's see how it does against this cedar tree right here. All right, I'm not going to swing real hard, but moderately hard, I suppose. Let the axe head do all the work. Okay, so first cut was about an inch deep or so. Well, you guys get the idea, all right? There is quite a bit of shock because it's going all the way up this hardwood handle, but it is doing what it's supposed to do. I think it could be sharper, but this cedar tree is a pretty hard wood, so that's how it's able to work, and or how it's able to chop without sharpening. If I hold back further on the handle, maybe give it a leather grip around here to deaden some of the shock, I think it'd even be better. But yeah, it's doing pretty good. All right. If you found my video helpful and you want to find out when I review another product in the future, then please hit that like button and also think about subscribing to my channel, and you'll be notified the next time I put up my next video. Until then, take care, and we'll see you out there.